Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Hello friends, today we tell the story of an old fisherman, a man of courage, strength and heart. This story is called The Old Man and the Sea. It is a tale of struggle, hope and the power of the human spirit. There was an old fisherman named Santiago. He lived in a small village by the sea. Santiago had been fishing for many years and he was very skilled, but lately his luck had changed. For 84 days he had caught nothing. The villagers whispered about him. They said he is unlucky. He is old. But Santiago did not give up. He knew the sea and he believed in himself. Santiago's only friend was a young boy named Manolin. The boy had fished with him before and he loved the old man. But because of Santiago's bad luck, the boy's parents made him fish on a lucky boat. Still, Manolin cared for Santiago. He brought him food, talked with him, and remembered the old man's stories. On the 85th day, Santiago decided to go far out into the sea. Today he said, I will catch a big fish. He took his small boat and rowed into the deep waters. Hours passed, the sun rose high, and Santiago felt tired, but he never gave up. He cast his line and waited. Then he felt a strong pull. A fish was on the hook. It was no ordinary fish. It was a giant marlin, stronger than any he had ever seen. The fish pulled the boat with incredible power. Santiago held tight, using all his strength. For 2 whole days and nights, he battled the fish. The old man's hands were cut and bleeding. His back ached, his arms were sore. But Santiago's spirit was stronger than his body. He admired the fish. He said, You are my brother. You are as brave as I am. Finally, on the third day, Santiago managed to catch the giant marlin. He tied it to the side of his boat. He was proud. He had fought bravely and he had won. But the sea is never easy. As Santiago sailed home, sharks smelled the blood of the marlin. They attacked in waves, one after another. Santiago fought them with all his strength, using a harpoon, a knife, and even his bare hands. But the sharks were too many. Slowly they ate the marlin, leaving only its skeleton. Santiago was sad. He had caught the great fish, but the sea had taken it back. Santiago returned to the village, tired and beaten. His hands were cut and his body hurt. The villagers saw the skeleton of the giant marlin. Some were amazed and some were silent. They understood that Santiago had fought a great battle, even if he had lost the fish. Manolin came to him. He cried because he cared for the old man. He promised, I will fish with you again, Santiago. We will be together. Santiago smiled. He had courage, strength, and a heart that never gave up. This story shows us that life is about struggle, hope, and courage. Even when we fail, even when the world is against us, we can still be proud of our effort. Santiago teaches us that true success is not just about winning, it is about fighting with honor and heart. Thank you for listening to the story of the old fisherman and his great battle at sea. Remember, friends, strength of heart is stronger than strength of body. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.